Welcome to Gray & Sons Jewelers, located in sunny Miami Beach, Florida, across from the world-famous Bal Harbour shops. Our specialty has always been carefully restored and mint certified pre-owned watches and one-of-a-kind estate jewelry pieces. We have an impressive selection of diamonds and modern jewelry as well. From necklaces to pendants, bracelets to rings, and rings, we have fine designer pieces and beautiful vintage items. We also carry luxurious timepieces from all of the major Swiss brands, like Rolex, Cartier, Patek Philippe, Audemars Piguet, Piaget, and Panerai, to name a few. We have elegant dress watches, large sports watches, and fine complicated timepieces. All of our pre-owned watches have been meticulously restored to light condition and come with a 1 to 2 year warranty. Gray & Sons is not only a retail location, but also a repair center for fine watches and jewelry. We have 6 in-house watchmakers and jewelers whose commitment to excellence is second to none. We also buy and consign fine watches and jewelry, diamonds, sterling silver, coins, and scrap gold. If you have any questions, give us a call at 1-800-918-2608 or visit our website www.grayandsons.com. Our email address is info@grayandsons.com. Or you can always stop by our showroom. We'd love to meet you.